Hello followers, I am Getahun Sorsa from Walaita Sodo University, Ethiopia. This is my official YouTube channel and I am instructor in Walaita Sodo University Mechanical Engineering Department. So in this video, I will give you a tutorial on National Graduate Admission Test Part 2, which is part of 2026 or 2018 Ethiopia calendar. This the entrance exam, which is prepared for postgraduate students. So in previous video, I have tried to provide part 1 on verbal reasoning, and this is the next part of this verbal reasoning part. So try to watch the video until the end, and don't forget to like the video, to share the video for your friends, as well as to subscribe my channel if you are new for my channel, and to switch on bell button to receive updated notification when I publish new videos. So now I will give a tutorial on this National Graduate Admission Test exam. So in this part here, this is the question. In the figure below, each quadrilateral is a square, and the side length of each inner square is 2/3 of that of the next square containing it. And if the side of the largest square is 27 centimeter long, what's the area of L-shaped shaded region in the centimeter square? A 80, B 81, C 54, D 64. So this is the question that is given, and we are asked to calculate the area of shaded region under this square. So we have given this shape, this square shape, and the side of the largest square is given, as well as the ratio of this, the side lengths of each inner square is given also. Therefore, how to solve this question in simple way, I will show you step by step. Here we have to know the given parameters. Here we have solution. So here solution, under solution we have given, the first one is the side lengths of the outer one. So here we have given this square. Square means all sides equal. So we have given this one. This is the outer one, and here we have also another square, the second square also. This is the second square. The other is, here we have also another square. This is another square, the third one. And under this also we have another square here, this one. And under this also we have another square like this. So we have around 5 square. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, as well as the fifth one. So we have 5 squares. The side lengths of the first square given. That means from this up to this is given. This is given, which is this is equal with this one. That means when we say square, that means all sides are equal. So this is 27 centimeter, and the ratio also given 2/3. Therefore, we are asked to calculate the area of this one. This is the shaded part. This is the shaded part that we are asked to calculate the area. Therefore, to solve this, we have to follow the steps. And here we have to know the squares. First, we have to know the squares. Square 1, we have square 1, square 2, square 3, we have square 4, and we have square 5. This is 1, this one is 2 means this one, 1 means this one, and this let's take this as 3, square 3, take this as square 4, and let's take this as square 5. So we have 5 squares. Therefore, the side of this, the side length of square 1 is 27. That means the area is 27 square. When we find the area of the square, area is equals to SC square. This is the general formula to calculate the area of the square. Therefore, when we want to calculate this, the area of square 1, which is 27 square, which is equal with this one. Square 2 means this is 27. The side ratio is 27 times 2/3 for the second one. That means this is 3, this is 9, 9 times 2, 18. This is 18 centimeter. And for this square 3 side length 18 times 2 over 3, which is, this is 3, this is 6, 6 times 2, 12 centimeter. For S4, we have 12 times 2 over 3, which is 8 centimeter. These are the side lengths. And for S5, 8 times 2 over 3, which is 16 over 3, which is around 5.33 centimeter. Here we have analyzed the side lengths of each square up to square 5. Then we're asked to calculate the area of the shaded region. That means the shaded region is, okay, here we have, this one is square 3 and square 4. Square 3 and square 4. Therefore, here we have to know the length of this square 3 and the square 4. So next, side length of the first one is 27, the next one is 18, the next one is 12. So this is 12, the side length of square 3 is 12 centimeter, and then the area is 12 centimeter, the whole square. Area 3, which is 12 square, that means 144 centimeter square. This is the area of this square 3. Then the area of square 4, that means the side length of square 4 is 8 centimeter. Therefore, area 4, which is equals to 8 centimeter, the whole square, which is 64 centimeter square. This is the area of square 4. So here, after this, the length of the area of shaded region, which is calculated as this area of shaded region, which is A3 minus A4. A3 minus A4. That means A3, which is 144 centimeter square minus 64 centimeter square. So where we take the difference of this one, which is 80 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded region, or L-shaped shaded region. Therefore, this is the area. Then finally, here from the given alternative, the correct answer from the given alternative is A, which is 80 centimeter square. So this is the correct answer from the given alternatives. This is the video I have in this part, and I will come with other part of this different question in verbal reasoning regarding this National Graduate Admission Test, as well as exit exam questions, 12th grade, remedial, freshman, and other exam questions. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and to write comments on different videos under my channel. Thank you for watching this.